Look at our beautiful Vidhan soudha under lockdown. Look at the UB City road. Barely any traffic. Nobody can come in this road. Somehow I managed to come in. Which way to go? I think I have to take. I think I'll go this side. Today, 13th of April 2020. The traffic has drastically increased because today is Monday. Oh God, they have blocked this road completely, man. Which way to go now? I wanted to go straight actually. There is no way I can go. Let me take right from here. Coming to few things about Arogya Setu app. So when Modi spoke last time on television, he told 5 points to follow. In that, the last point was downloading the Arogya Setu app in your Android or Apple phone and keep it in. So that will show you the risk, how much you are risky of getting infection. Oh God, this is also blocked. Everybody is turning back. Oh, no way. Oh, I think I can take this road. There is one more road here. I know this road actually. It's a very small road, but this will lead to Cunningham Road. Finally reached the Cunningham Road. I don't know whether... Oh, there is no left turn, man. See, they have blocked this road. Right, left, everywhere they have blocked. Oh, there is one Jaguar showroom in Cunningham Road. One of the finest hospitals in Bangalore, the Vikram Hospital. It's on my left side. So from here I'll go straight if possible. Yeah, I can go straight. I think I cannot take left from here. Not possible. They have blocked it completely. Google says I can reach the location in 5 minutes and 2.3 kilometers, but I am taking almost like 5 to 6 kilometers to reach the place. I'll just try to enter backside Vidhan soudha and enter Reena Street. We'll see. It was so near to me from office, man. This is taking too much time and energy and also fuel. Oh, if they have blocked this road also, I don't know how can I reach my destination. I am just in backside of Vidhan soudha. Just ripping through the roads. Oh God. Okay. From here I'll take left. I think Kabban Park is closed. Kabban Park Road. If Kabban Park Road was open, I would have entered from that side. And there were police who were stopping. Okay, if somebody tests positive of coronavirus and already had installed Arogya Setu app beforehand, for example, today he is getting positive, he is tested positive, but he had installed the app on his cell phone 15 days back itself, so that will help to track back his all movements, all locations. And also it has a complicated artificial intelligence algorithm, so that will notify others who were present in his region so that they can take precautions and they can get tested. And also it will be showing, the app will be showing that you are safe. So once it turns yellow and if it shows go get it tested, you need to go and get it tested. So in a way it's very good. Poor cops again. Good app. So somebody has come up with this idea to track everybody's movement, and also they can track people are coming out or staying at home or not. So technology has advanced so much, man. I don't know whether I can take right from JW Marriott. Oh, I think people are going. Let me see. Just I'm in front of this Kantirava Stadium, indoor stadium. This is the state of roads today. There is a checkpost ahead. I may need to show my ID card. Let me check this. Doctor. As soon as they see the ID, they'll just send us without any problem. Hopefully the right turn is open in this signal. If not, I am screwed up. Yes, no problem. I am in Richmond circle right now. If I go straight, I can go fast, but cars are there, I can't go straight. I will have to take right and turn around. It may take me around 1 kilometer off my route. No problem. All this happens in your life. Sun has already set. I am in 8th mile, entering into the Esarghatta road. Today the security they have actually slightly loosened up, man. But entering into Tumkur road is one difficult task. I think they'll stop me. So again they stopped here. So otherwise inside the city I would say slightly the security they have loosened up. Tomorrow is 14th. The first phase of lockdown will be done by tomorrow. So all this one-way roads, man, you should be very careful. See, it's not leaving me the space. So because of the lockdown, the first phase of the lockdown will be over by tomorrow. The lockdown version 2.0 will start from 15th onwards. Need to see. They are saying few industries will be working, especially the essential items. Now I am going in one way actually. I need to join the other road. There is a lot of oncoming traffic this side. I would have joined there itself. Okay. Most probably schools will not open up until August or September this year. Need to see how well they can contain the infection. I think from now on you can't see anything much. It has become totally dark. So I'll meet you at the last checkpost. Let me see whether they check me or not, or they will leave. Mostly they'll check because that's the end of Bangalore. So they're not allowing people to go out of Bangalore. That is something like a district border for Bangalore. I'll see you guys there. This is the last checkpost of the day. I don't see any police there. They are allowing everyone to pass through. Mostly they will not stop. They are all tired. Okay guys, I see you tomorrow. I know I have not uploaded a video from past 2-3 days because I have been very busy. So as soon as I edit this, I will upload all the videos. Take care guys, bye bye.